ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, Ryngkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, Ryngkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Ka Shnong Kongthong bat kaseng khasi right Kongthong Lower Primary School ha ka arpo hundred trik ukulalan kot arajar arpoi Ryngkat lang bat UMP jong ka Rajya Sabha u Professor Rakhe Sinha u balawan kerpang syakani ka Shnong kila Rakhe ya ka Republic Day ka bahanyo po arsnem jong keri India ka jingwan bakerpang jong uni UMP ka Rajya Sabha kalong ban kintiu ya ka Shnong Kongthong ha ki kam jngok kai perthai da ka ba ais ngobha ya ka Shnong hado shispa atli ki borti bread nyut bat hakani ka sngi ula pli paj ba ru ya umaunong rim ban tai hado henru tli ki pan khana paj ba hakani ka Shnong u Professor Sinha ula penbana paj ba ru haka jingelang ba ula dep ya keren bat u menteri rang ba ka sarkar jilla u Konrad Konggal Sangma ha kaba ula pharu daga jingtho na kabenta ban kerpat ya ka sarkar Meghalaya bakan the ya ki kampen roy ha ka Shnong Kongthong bat ban penbiang ya ka umbam umdi nang tadi ki jaka sumar ki babiang bat ban kentiuru ya kani ka Shnong hakikam jngok kai perthai namar bakani ka Shnong kadai ka bala pau nambha amtang ha ka jalla Meghalaya bat hapo gari India hanrei wat shiki wei pat kiri jong ka perthai ru hakani ka sngi la sakhilang da Chief Executive Member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba Tita Starwell Khan ubala longru kum usumbut kongsan bat kiwei kinong shakhot ngobha lembat kinong Shnong jong ka Shnong Kongthong
dan kamro ban prepare yang gawai ka brochure ka barin but ban ko ai dinti baro the do's and don'ts for tourists nama ten ki pre bawan na pa kim so ko ya ka culture dani Iwan di penuh halang di tempat dan tadi bread di nyut itu di plastik lada long ngebala ini mahaban mai ding itu di jimbam di bawah di plastik itu di uncle chips but diwe nama apa deh untuk pakai seisi no Shnong tesung Shnong malam nong minta telah dia dor menyengalit hakawai ka pap ke badan hapor smith ani ke jimbun breu lah palat hadoban itu nak show dan kamban anjing ni kairu yang di tour guides ni duna pernah kini di tour guides ada ni jelas ni dapat ni persangban promote ya ke tourism minister berepet ya ke kota kiau banwan yang lam ya ke doktor sisen sitayo syatan ke Shnong banwa tepat ya pi basin long di pet ngor ha kamtam hakane ka jinjro kai perthai ka tourism bat banya tray hati jat bat ka Martin Luther Christian University nang ban kan bahan kan niat ke Shnong ka jingyo kan don ka jing itenat kan
how aja khat nhiều apologetic jong ublai ni ibabante ila wanra ya governor jong ka Meghalaya u bonbonera prohit hagane Shnong nagamta ban ai ke jingra ya ka solar street light but hadi juga por naga leng jong governor lengba ka memorandum ka bangi ka Shnong jong ka thai ni phai u ban kerpa tan piyo ya ka slok ka babha nadu majrong sedu Kongthong bat sadus der ban nadu molandia sesok nduk teter ngas ngobrom ba lengba ka ni Shnong ka jong pi lemba ka jibut din ka jong ni kinelam jong ka thai kinek ai baro ki ulong bat ka dei ka jing kesan barata jong nomik wat hagro por ba titos khai kumu every habis nem beralendo kapag dan semua sanut kalau ya kini Shnong baran serumpat dah kumnungin perkat nak kita biru kinjo ya ka hok kaba kasoka India hapo ke jingelam ka basta jo prime minister baran brom jongi unaren ramodi u prime minister ba sempang boya i jingai bar ba ai tilut nagamta kari udai sisa ukun dal sendang jong ka main dia kajongi hagali ko po na snow pan ay ka buram ka prao yo prime minister bodan buram kajongi ngai play ya ginamit pat u MA wala da umsunala konwan ngila khod yo nei nakada ko jumpon kam tip umsunala pat poi compare ngibu ega jing duai ban maur kumpul mi pak undon kamen sim ban jadi paiba undon kamen sim ban yarap jadi paiba nong song Shnong jongga konsensi jongga thai Shnong ban jadi jelahi parapoi Profesor Rakhe Sinha haga khasan tarik dong upnai Agos arya April ula ai kata jing pun benar lembah kilat partai kubor ba ula adop ya kade Shnong ka jongi bagalong tung ka Shnong ka bamai injarap na kaptaban gentiu ya ka yok kot ya ka roi kapal ban pendik pendeng hamtam ki school bat hak emlang salang kalong brio ban brio para Shnong patau ka de kapol bangin yang kelilang kawe hamdan kanu wajing soper ka jingsu mami hapimut sunde ban long kawe nadu ki barit har ki be ban tesong ban pentlain ya ka insang salang kepala janai bat kepala roy lepa dalam bagi jitelang ngilawan piu seprang arang ia pra hantang hin kelang
itu pegade gasni bang khana gasni le kemen henry ngwa banyak tuh di bagani gasni balai ni Rakhe ya kini republik di badai hari gasni gilayo yang kata riti sensia agar India berotoi kawangi orang ke constitution janggari India badai lembah ni constitution belara aban penyat riti yang khas sensia ke kada agar India bat agar jelai berotoi gilong Shnong kibahang ihap ban buat berhenti katkum constitution janggari India dia kata kadau bagi Rakhe yang kini kesni manusnam kung kesni ke pekerpang jongga jingyo ke jongi yang kini kari kisensya lepu yuru mentan bagi Shnong Kongthong kalau kawin nak Shnong kibala kampau hari ini katakan kat Shnong di Boroko ladangnya keren ya ke jingnang jingbun jadi banang bastat jingbun jadi badan bayam jingbun jadi kontraktor diberi rakam he di kambun akan ke Shnong tengok galong ke badai ba MP Rajya yang ke Shnong banang kampan roy susu nangkam bahas susu bagan long kawin lagi Shnong di internet akan ini katakan ke jom.
There is a long history and tradition of India where people understand each other's agony, sacrifice their family and personal life for the sake of larger masses. I am giving one instance of Swami Vivekananda. When Swamiji was in Europe and America, he delivered hundreds of the lectures. In Europe and America, while delivering lecture, you get honorarium. He earned thousands of dollars honorarium and pounds, thousands of dollars and pounds honorarium in England, America, and other European countries. He sent each and every paisa for the welfare of the poor people of India. The man who owned millions, the man who had name and fame all over the world, his mother lacked 100 rupees per month. He integrated himself with Bharat Mata. And Bharat Mata is not mountain. Bharat Mata is not rivers. Bharat Mata is not your gardens. Bharat Mata is the people of India. If you are doing welfare of the people of India, when you are doing welfare of people of India, you are nurturing the culture of the people. You are nurturing the tradition of the people. You are nurturing the ambition of the people. You are nurturing the dreams of the people. The resources are not meant for New Delhi and Shillong. On the resources of India, every individual has equal rights. If any individual is deprived from the rights, then we lack democracy. Democracy would be fulfilled the day when one of you will become the member of parliament without any resource, without any campaigning material, without any TV screen. You will become the member of parliament. That day I will consider the democracy is a substantive democracy. Otherwise, democracy is a structured democracy, instrumental democracy. We have to bring substantive democracy that each and every individual should feel that he has not born only to vote. He has right to become the member of parliament. He has right to become the member of legislative assembly.
He knows how to get together.
You know, there is a village in Turkey, that's name is Koskov, and Koskov is a part of intangible cultural heritage of UNESCO. Therefore, I demanded in Parliament and also raised the question. And yesterday, I suggested to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya that he should also write to UNESCO that if Koskov can be intangible cultural heritage, why not Kongthong? The population of Koskov is 700 and Kongthong's population is lesser than that. There is a difference between the two. It is at the lack of the nature. So there is natural beauty plus the whistling village. Therefore, I think that by the end of the year, if we will do serious efforts in united efforts, Kongthong will be part of intangible cultural heritage of UNESCO. Last year I raised the issue in the Rajya Sabha, and after that there is a attraction for Kongthong. Had it not been a lockdown and COVID period, Kongthong have developed much more. And I think there is a attraction for Kongthong. National press has been reporting. There is a discussion on Kongthong. And now in Meghalaya, where I contacted many people, they were not knowing Kongthong. Now it is known to each and every citizen of Meghalaya. So this is our achievement. Chief Minister had declared 1 crore rupees for Kongthong. I wrote a letter. He responded positively. I am thanking him. The health minister declared that weekly doctor visit, later on hospital. Ramkrishna Mission is coming, and we brought 100 dustbins. Our objective is to make the cleanest village in Asia. And for that, we are taking help of NGOs, government agencies, office of individuals, and also the local people. Next step is, all these things are now coming from outside. Now we will involve with the people and try to create sustainable development here. That sustainable development by engaging the common people of Kongthong, so that there would be employment, income generation, they would not depend for livelihood outside forces. So we will make it a republic. We will make it a republic, a self-sustained, self-reliant and confident people with a great cultural heritage it has. Nobody has invited me Kongthong, I came myself. And whatever I am doing, because sentimentally I am attached to the common people, whether Kongthong or Baripura, I think on the resources of the nation, each and every individual has equal rights and equal opportunities. In contemporary democracy, people lack the equal opportunity, equal rights. Prime Minister Modi is connected with the people, and he inspires every member of parliament to go to the villages, adopt village, make it an ideal village with the inspiration of the Prime Minister. I adopted 2 villages, and times to come, I would adopt more villages, and I am declaring it. Next time I am going to Arunachal, there is a place enemy where 5,000 tribes live, and average suicide, unreported suicide is more than hundreds every year. So my objective is to go to those tribes, live with them, bring other peoples without intervening in their culture, custom and tradition. Improve their life, counsel them. So here also, I believe that anyone who comes to help, he should not enforce his own religion and language. The dialect, language, culture, tradition must be protected progressively.